Welcome to the second episode of Learn Framer Basics. In this episode, we'll explore exactly how to create and manage styles in Framer, the no-code developer tool. Does this sound familiar? You're spending hours and hours manually updating designs only to feel like you're running in circles. It's frustrating, right? But with styles in Framer, you can update one element and every other element using the same style across your entire project will update instantly. This is the secret to faster, consistent designs, and guess what? It's simpler than you think. Let me show you how it works. What are styles in Framer? If you're coming from Figma, you'd be like,
"Hey, I've seen this one. This is a classic."
Framer styles are similar to Figma's, but they have their own unique approach. Let's break it down. In Framer, there are two major types of styles: text styles, color styles. Let's look at text styles first. By default, any text in Framer is unstyled. To apply a style, select the text, go to the Properties panel, click Styles, and create a new style. Choose one type from the list. You can now customize each style by editing it. This includes properties like stroke, alignment, decoration, and even options like variable fonts for ultimate flexibility. What's cool is that Framer automatically assigns semantic tags like H1, H2, S3, or P to your styles. Need something even more specific? You can override these tags in the accessibility panel to suit your project. When you update a text style, watch as the changes apply instantly across your design. Isn't that awesome? Now, let's take this design as an example. I applied the H1 style to this text and customized it. But here's something to note. The text size adjusts automatically based on the layout's breakpoint, whether it's desktop, tablet, or mobile. To set up breakpoints for text style, in the editing state, at the bottom, you'll find the breakpoints option. Under Types, click on Add Breakpoints and you'll now see the existing breakpoints. Tip: define your breakpoints first before customizing text styles. By the way, this is a health and fitness template I built which I called FitStar. If you're interested in this Framer template or more, check out the link tree in the description. Let's dive into color styles. This feature allows you to create a color palette that works for both light and dark mode, making sure that your designs align with the appearance settings of various devices. Color styles make your life so much easier. To put it in simple words, color styles allow you to save your colors and reuse them throughout your design. When you update a color in a specific style, every element using that style is updated instantly, keeping your designs consistent and cohesive. For example, in this design, I created a lime green color style called Brand. This allows users to quickly update the template by changing one style and see all the changes instantly. Let's see it in action. Edit the brand color style and let's now play with the hue. See how the color changes across the design. Let's now understand color styles and theme with a simple example. On a new page, what we'll do now is add a color style to this background of the layout. When you click on the fill in the styles panel, by default, the first existing style is selected and you have the option to choose from the 3 existing styles here. But now, we'll create a completely new one. Let's name it as background. Notice the two tabs, light mode and dark mode. This is where you define colors for day and night. For dark mode, let's select a darker shade, then hit create. Voila! You now have a background style that adapts perfectly to both themes. If you want to check, toggle the theme icon in the canvas menu and see the colors change seamlessly. Now let's create a new style for text. To keep it simple for this tutorial, let's use white on black and black on white. On this text, create a simple color style. Check the preview. It works perfectly. Awesome. Finally, let's talk about the not so visible third style called link style. To know about link style, we need to know about links. With links, we can turn any element on a page into a clickable link. This is primarily used for navigation throughout your site by linking different pages, sections, external pages, etc. Here's how to apply link styles. Select the text and click on the link in the Properties panel. When creating a link, Framer autofills it with existing pages. Each link can be customized with a style that includes 3 states. Default, this is the static state when there is no interaction with the link. Hover state, this triggers when the user hovers over the link. Then comes the current state. When on the published website, if the link URL matches the page you are currently in, the current state is triggered. For this example, let's add 3 different colors for each state: black for default, gray for hover state, and blue for current state. Once published, the link behaves exactly as expected. You can look at all your styles in the Assets panel, expand the text, color, and link folders. For managing them, you can go to the Properties panel, create, edit, rename, delete the styles as you like. Text styles can be slightly modified in CMS mode. We'll explore that in a future chapter. By mastering styles, you're one step closer to creating designs that are both beautiful and effortless. I can't wait to see what you'll build next. That's it for this episode. Next time, we'll explore one of the most important parts of Framer: components and variants. Your support means so much. Subscribing encourages me to keep sharing and creating. If you like my content, consider subscribing and press the bell icon to get all the future updates from my channel. If you need help with your projects or just want to connect with me, you can find me on X, Blue Sky, or Contra. Links are in the description. See you in the next one.